Oftentimes with food or any type of tabletop photography, I like to add some type of fill light to the scene. I'm usually backlighting or side lighting my images, and I usually just want to add a touch of light into those shadows. Sometimes a reflector, a bright, shiny silver reflector, is going to be too harsh, so I prefer to use simple white foam board. And what I do with the foam board is I cut it in half and I put some gaffer tape down the middle of it so it's kind of bendable. That way I can set it up on the table without having to hold it in my hands or use any type of camera stand. This is a very simple and very inexpensive way to create a DIY reflector for your tabletop photography.